Hey there, future phone flash fans. Welcome back to our channel, your go source for the latest in smartphone technology. Today, we've got some thrilling news about the upcoming iPhone 16. This new model promises some exciting changes and upgrades that will make it stand out in the ever-evolving world of smartphones. Let's dive right in and explore what's in store for us with the iPhone 16. Design overhaul. It's been quite a while since we've seen a significant design change in the iPhone series, but the iPhone 16 is set to break the mold. Leaked images have given us a glimpse into its sleek new look. The design features a vertical camera setup, which is a departure from the horizontal setup we've seen in recent models. Additionally, there's a cutout for a physical camera shutter button, adding a touch of nostalgia while enhancing functionality. This fresh form factor promises to be both stylish and practical, offering users a brand new iPhone experience. New camera features. The camera on the iPhone 16 is getting a major upgrade, making it a standout feature. The new vertically stacked cameras are designed to support 3D video recording, also known as spatial videos. This capability was previously limited to the Pro models, but now it's available to a broader audience. Moreover, the flash unit has been moved outside the camera island, reminiscent of the design seen on the iPhone X, but it's larger and more powerful. This change not only improves the aesthetic but also enhances the camera's performance in low-light conditions, making your photos and videos look even better. Physical shutter button. One of the coolest new features of the iPhone 16 is the physical camera shutter button, powered by the haptic engine. This button is designed to enhance your photography experience. With a light tap, you can focus on your subject, and a second, more deliberate tap captures the picture. This intuitive design mimics the feel of a traditional camera shutter, making it easier to take precise photos. For photography enthusiasts, this feature is a game changer, bringing a more tactile and responsive element to mobile photography. Action button. Say goodbye to the mute switch and hello to the new action button. The iPhone 16 introduces this innovative feature across the entire series. Initially launched with the iPhone 15 Pro series, the action button is a customizable tool that adds more functionality to your device. Whether you want to quickly access your favorite apps, control smart home devices, or activate shortcuts, this button can be tailored to meet your needs. It's all about making your iPhone experience more convenient and personalized. Size and display. When it comes to size and display, the iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus offer impressive options. The iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch OLED screen, while the iPhone 16 Plus comes with a larger 6.7-inch OLED screen. Both displays run at 60 Hz, providing smooth visuals and vibrant colors. These sizes are similar to their predecessors, ensuring a comfortable and familiar user experience, but with the added benefits of the new design enhancements. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web, these screens will provide a stunning visual experience. Performance specs. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 series is expected to feature a toned-down version of the A17 Pro chip, providing excellent performance without compromising on efficiency. With options for 6 or 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, you'll have plenty of power and space for all your apps, games, and media. This combination ensures that the iPhone 16 will handle multitasking with ease, delivering a smooth and responsive user experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on the go. Release date and pricing. Apple recently concluded its annual WWDC 2024 event, and all eyes are now on the iPhone 16 series, set to launch in September 2024. Based on Apple's usual timeline, we expect the iPhone 16 Pro to be unveiled between September 3rd and 11th, with sales starting a week later. In the US, the iPhone 16 Pro is anticipated to start at around $999, while in India, the starting price is expected to be approximately Rs 134,900. Display and design. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to feature a larger 6.3-inch display, an upgrade from the previous 6.1-inch screen. This new display is expected to be taller and narrower with a 19.6:9 aspect ratio. Apple might utilize new micro-lens array and OLED technology, making the screen 20% brighter, potentially reaching 1,200 nits for standard brightness. In terms of design, the iPhone 16 Pro will retain the titanium frame introduced with the iPhone 15 Pro, but could feature even sleeker 1.2mm bezels. Face ID components might be hidden under the display for a more seamless look. Additionally, rumors suggest a switch to capacitive buttons for volume, power, and a new capture button for camera functions. Camera upgrades are always a highlight for new iPhones. The iPhone 16 Pro is expected to retain a 48-megapixel main camera while upgrading the ultra-wide camera from 12 megapixels to 48 megapixels. Excitingly, Apple might introduce a new periscope telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, a feature currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro is expected to be powered by the new A18 Pro chipset, built on a 3nm process for better performance and efficiency. Paired with 8 GB of RAM, this chipset will support the latest iOS 18 features, including enhanced AI capabilities for smart photo editing and sophisticated Siri functionalities. Storage options might see an upgrade, with the maximum capacity potentially reaching 2 TB. This expansion is likely due to new, more compact, and cost-effective storage technologies. The device is also expected to support Wi-Fi 7 and a new 5G modem for faster connectivity. Additionally, Apple may include a new thermal management system using graphene-based technology for better heat dissipation. Color variants. The iPhone 16 Pro is rumored to be available in space black, white, gray, and a new rose color, replacing the previous titanium blue option. Apple might also introduce an improved finish process for the titanium body, resulting in a glossier and more scratch-resistant surface. Ultra-wide camera upgrade. The iPhone 16 Pro introduces a new ultra-wide camera with a 48MP sensor, a major upgrade from the previous 12MP version. This enhancement delivers sharper details and richer colors, especially in low-light conditions, making your photos more vibrant and detailed. Expanded optical zoom capability. Apple is breaking new ground with its tetraprism camera technology, offering 5x optical zoom and 25x digital zoom. There are rumors that the Pro Max variant might exceed the 5x optical zoom threshold, allowing for incredible close-up shots without losing quality. Anti-reflective coating innovation. To improve photo quality in bright lighting, Apple is using atomic layer deposition (ALD) technology. This reduces internal reflections, ensuring clearer images in intense lighting. Say goodbye to glare and hello to crisp, clear photos. Enhanced main camera. The main camera features a new Sony sensor that captures double the light of current sensors. This means superior photo quality in all conditions, from sunny days to dimly lit environments. Night mode performance. The iPhone 16 Pro elevates night mode to a new level. With advanced computational photography algorithms, you can expect stunning low-light performance, capturing detailed and vibrant images even in challenging lighting conditions. Outro. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Future Phone Flash for more tech updates. Hit the bell icon to stay notified about our latest videos. See you next time, and keep capturing those amazing moments.